Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I have my winter Fabfitfun subscription box here. We're just gonna do an unboxing of this today, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Alright, so I really like the box. It's very wintry feeling. We got a girl ice skating over here. You got houses with snow on it. I don't know if those are supposed to be flowers or some kind of bush or something. But I really like the artwork on it. They always have usually really cute boxes. Alright, how am I going to do this? Here's what the inside looks like. Very pretty. I like the blues and the greens. So, of course, we have the booklet, the little magazine that they always come with that has, who is this? Marie Shriver, I think is who this is. I don't know. Very nice lady on it. So of course on the inside it has everything that's in the box, and then also what other items you could have gotten, or it just has all the options in here. So I think I'm going to go kind of in order today. I'm going to start with the things that I picked and then just kind of go down the line, and I'll show you guys what my other options were. Alright, so the first product that I picked up is the one that I customized myself, is the, let me see what it's called, Unhide Little Marshmallow Blanket. So it is super fluffy, and it's kind of like a cream color. So this is, it's a fluffy, furry, friendly fish faux, I think that's how they say that, blanket. And it says on the back, no animals were harmed in the making of this, which is good. So this retails for, holy macaroni, this retails for $65. This is more than the box, than what I paid for the box. Dang. It's supposed to be a really nice blanket. I mean, it feels really nice. I hope my lights aren't too bright, but it's really nice feeling. I'm not gonna open it just yet, because I won't be able to show the whole thing. It's probably gonna be a big size blanket. So there's the first product, and the other things that I could have chosen from, or I could have picked, were, I could have picked a Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, which I was tempted to get that. This one right here. I was tempted to get that, but I have a lot of moisturizers right now from other subscription boxes like BoxyCharm, which I'm glad, but I didn't feel the need for another one. I could have also gotten this R&Co Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner, which is this one right here. And my other option could have been a Jonathan Eldler Floral Del Cel Ceramic Candle. And Rebecca Mingfield Merrill Beanie and Arm Warmer Set. So those are the other two options, and the candle is right there. And then I think the beanie and ear warmers are up here. So yeah, I'm happy with the one I chose out of all the options. I thought this was the best one for me. Yeah. Alright, moving on. Alright, so moving on to the next item that I customized. I have the Bluetooth Shower Speaker by Bando. And this retails for $30. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out of the box. It's really pretty. It has this floral print on it. So it comes with a little charger, just a cord that you plug into a normal charger cord or plug, and then here it is. It's very pretty, and it has like this little thing that you just stick onto the shower wall. So my other options could have been, the ones I could have picked were the Lashes MD Eyelash conditioner. I'm going to read them first and then I'll show the pictures of them. I could have gotten a PJ Salvic faux trim cable slippers, or I could have gotten the Arno Lascerlo pore cleansing clay mask. So here's the clay mask, there's the lash stuff, and then there are the slippers. So those are the other ones I could have chosen from, but I really like listening to music while I shower, and I don't have a Bluetooth speaker, so I thought that was good for me. Alright, moving on to, I think this is the last item that I customized, and then all the other ones are ones that they picked for me, because I only have the all members subscription. I don't have the select members subscription. Alright, so what I chose was the Soft Focus Glow Drops. It's by Rodile. And honestly, I don't know. It's a primer, by the way. And honestly, like, out of all the options, I thought this is the best one for me personally, but the other options I didn't like. So even though I'm not exactly like, this is not what I would have picked if there were better options, honestly, because I don't really like primers. But out of the three, I think, because there's only three options. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's 4. Yeah, that's just the one I picked. All right, so I could have gotten an organic circle bracelet in rose gold by Adore by Swarovski. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I could have gotten the Bantington Lashes Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. I could have gotten Karuna Face for All Face and Eye Mask Set, or the drops. Oh, and this retails for, holy crap, this retails for $55. Why are you so expensive? It is a really nice bottle though, and maybe it'll be good for, like, good, because I haven't found a primer I liked yet. Alright, so here is, I hope my lights are not too bright. Alright, so down here is the face mask set, eye mask set. I could have gotten these lashes here, or this bracelet, which this bracelet looks really pretty, but I don't know. I didn't really like the design of it, honestly, so I just, out of all those options, this is the one I chose. Alright, moving on. So these next items are just products that they picked out for me. I didn't pick them. So what they picked out for me, which I think out of all of them, this is, I don't know, this one had a lot of good options, so I wouldn't have been mad either way. But I am really excited because they gave me the Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette by Beauty Bakery. Which I'm super excited to get this because I've been wanting to try out products from Beauty Bakery. I just hadn't gotten around to it yet. So here's what the inside looks like. It doesn't have a mirror or anything, but that's okay with me. I don't really need one. So it's just a very nice neutral palette. And the retail value on this is $38, which I think it's pretty pricey, honestly. I mean, it's not super pricey for a palette, but it was nice to get it in this box so I didn't have to spend $38 on trying that out. But it was nice that it was included in the box. And alright, so the other things I could have gotten were the Limix, I don't know how to say this, no, oh my gosh, words, I don't know how to pronounce this brand. But anyways, it's a organic balm to oil, I think it's a cleanser, or is it it's a nourishing balm to balm, so I think it might actually be a moisturizer. Anyways, I could have gotten a moisturizer, I could have gotten a Sidekick crossbody bag, or I could have gotten the Paper Source 12-month Rose Floral Planner. So here's the balm. There's the planner. There's the crossbody bag. So really, I think I would have been happy with any of those options, especially the crossbody bag or the planner. I don't know if I would have liked the balm, so I'm glad I didn't get that, but out of those 3 options, I would have been happy with either 3 of those, but I am glad to have gotten the palette. Alright, we're almost done. So, alright, next thing that I got is this original coffee scrub by Frank Body. Now, honestly, this is not something that I'm really going to be using, so I'm probably going to end up passing this on to somebody else because I don't like body scrubs. And it seems like subscription boxes, and at least I think Fabfitfun does do a lot of body scrubs, and I'm not a fan of body scrubs, come to find out, because I've gotten them so many times in Fabfitfun, and I've tried them out, and each time I just don't like them, and I don't know why I kept it. I should have just kept it for somebody else and not used it, but I feel bad that once I open it, I don't want to pass something on that I've already opened. I just don't like doing that. So I'm not going to be opening this one. I'm not going to smell it. I'm just going to end up passing it on to somebody else. But this retails for $16.95, which I think is a very interesting price because it's like $16.95. It's not like $16 or $17, it's $16.95. Anyways. Alright, so the other things I could have gotten were the Ahav salt bag, which I guess is, what is it? It's just, I guess, like if you're taking a bath, you add this salt to it, and it's supposed to help ease your muscles, which I would have kind of been, and I would have, like, preferred that, I think, because I have back pain and stuff, and my muscles get sore. So that probably would have been a little more beneficial for me, but that's okay. So the other thing I could have gotten was a Veramona color switch. It's one of those sponges in a can thing, like that whenever you're wanting to change brushes when you're doing eyeshadow, you would just rub it on this sponge thing and it kind of gets rid of the shadow on your brush, so you can just go ahead and go right into the next color without like having to wash your brush or anything. There it is right there. And the salt bag is over here. Alright, so they're doing something a little different. It seems like this season where they would only have 3 different kinds of, okay, so usually they would have about 3 or 4 items that every member would get. Now they're doing this thing where there's only about 3 products. No, about 2 products that every members are gonna, all boxes are gonna get. But there's another item that there's 2 different options you could have gotten, and they pick it for you. If that makes any sense. I'm probably not making any sense. All right, next products that I receive is the Kogi Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. I like how it says yoga. And I could have gotten this, or I could have gotten some incredible, some Thirsty Hand Mask Duo, which I'm glad I got this and not the hand masks, because that just sounds weird. But this retails for $39.95. Wow. I kind of want to smell this. I'm probably going to use it. Okay, it smells very, what is in here? Oh, it smells like lavender. That's what it smells like. I was like, I've smelled this smell before. What is it? Lavender. It smells very lavendery. So it smells nice. Alright, and the last 2 products in here is what every member will get in their box. And this is a makeup eraser by Originally Pink. And I used to hear a lot about these makeup erasers. So I'm interested to try it out and see if it's, I mean, I remember that everyone was having, at least, you know, raving about these, so I'm curious to try it out and see, you know, if it's really all that. But this retails for $20. Alright, and the last thing in here is by Dry Bar, and it is a Prep and Rally Prime and Prep Detangler Spray. Alright, so there it is, and this retails for $23. Alright, so that is everything that I got in the box. Definitely think it's a good box this season. There's a couple things that I wasn't too psyched to get. That really just being this body wash. I'm not going to use it, so this is really the only thing I wasn't psyched to get. But my favorite product I think that I got in this box is this blanket here. I'm really excited to use this. I'm probably going to keep it in here with me when I film, so I can have a nice blanket on with me. And I'm really excited to try out the rest of the products, honestly. I mean, I wasn't excited to get this primer, but I don't know. I'm at least I get to try out a different primer, and maybe I'll like it. It being pink, kind of, I don't know. I hope it doesn't leave like a color on my skin. You know, like a pink color, because I don't like that. But maybe it's just the color of it, and it won't stain my skin or anything. Hopefully not. So yeah, I'm actually pretty pleased with this box. Let me go ahead and tally everything up, and then I will tell you what my overall value of the box is. Alright, so the overall value for my box was $287.90, which is pretty good, considering I only paid $50 for this. I think it was around $50, maybe $54. I can't remember if there's tax on it, so it might be around $54. But still pretty good, considering I got quite a bit, and you know, I got way more than what I paid for. The value of the box is way more than what I paid for, so I think that's overall pretty good. But yeah, guys, that's going to do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. I really like doing unboxing videos, and I hope you guys enjoy watching them. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already joined me on my little channel here. I really do appreciate it. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. And yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!